Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to bring you something that, I think a lot of people have been looking for, and that is the question of when is the top in? Now, using phrases like, oh, the top is in inside a market that has been wildly bullish, that's something that you want to be very careful with. But I want to show you this example because it is so easy to relate to the past and to show you a pattern that if you don't follow anything else, I believe that this will help you in your trading, and that is the close below the low of the high bar. So if we rotate over just a couple of workspaces, you'll see this where I have a dedicated space to this concept. And all we're looking at is where these black arrows show up. Now, of course, no holy grail here, and the market has been wildly strong. But what I'm using to compare this to is the sell signal that we saw here on the 15th, right? You notice how this is a market that just keeps moving up, and then you have a day that closes under the low of the high bar. It's a very basic concept, but do you see how that triggered a 4-day decline? Again, it has shown up a couple of times before and kept pushing, but as we get further and further extended and these valuations become so much, richer every day, you have to be aware of these sell signals. So maybe this one reverses and goes straight back up, but I look at it and say the previous decline was a certain dollar value and it occurred over a certain amount of time. So if we compare that and just think of something similar, well, that would look like a decline down into 742, and that could take out here basically into next week, maybe Friday, depending on how ferocious it is. Also remember that you have kind of the environment where a margin call Monday could be a thing. And what that is where the market closes very weak on Friday, you get a flush on Monday, and then that, then begins the bottoming process, and we can head back into higher prices. So that's the best view that I have of the index in this moment. I think that's where I have to leave it, because if the indexes are going to sell off, we've got Broadcom earnings that are down, about $30 after hours? So keep an eye on that as we open up tomorrow. If this weakness starts to set in, just know that I'm thinking, again, about another $10 or $12 lower in the spiders could be a good target. And that'll be a place to set up some butterflies or calendars out into next week. So I hope you find the analysis helpful. Have a great rest of your evening. I will see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.